used to describe the extra character?
What's your real call? Link targets or extra targets. I wouldn't say accuracy because accuracy is something like it suggests that you can miss. This doesn't miss. This just has more available targets to link.
Link just puts
Link
or chain
link
link
enemies.